Well, what's up, YouTube? Finally made it. Obviously, new channel. I go by Meanmugmetal. Uh, I just uh, I just started this video, you know, just to take it to the next level. You know, I've done a little videoing on TikTok and Instagram, what have you. So real fast, what this video, or just to say, what this project is going to be about, and we'll continue it until it's, you know, at its finish end. It's a ship. Uh, there's a lot more detail into the ship that it'll be. What's the word? I'll bring it out more as each video comes out. I might explain a little bit more in detail, maybe. Uh, what's it gonna be about? There's gonna be a theme to it. It's a big ship, like I said. It's pretty nice sized ship. Um, I got into this some time ago. I would say like about a year, maybe a year and a half ago or so. Mainly, a lot of people know me by making metal roses, metal plaques, this and that, maybe metal work tables, things of that nature. But I caught myself finding myself wanting to do more, bigger projects that will test my fabrication skills. And that's where I'm at. That's what I want to make this channel as. I consider myself like a jack of all trades, but I could do a lot of other stuff. By means, I am not a professional welder, painter, whatever you want to call it. I'm just like the average person, out there trying to make do what I got and make it the best that I got. So real fast, let me let's flip the script. Let me show you the ship real fast what I got, and then we'll come back and we'll recap and we'll push forward. So, like I said, it's a ship, and it's at the this at the starting point of the build. Like I said, I've into it like a couple weeks. Um, this is the outer framing of it. This is one side. Okay, this is just one side, and yeah. So far, I like it. I like how it's coming out, and I'm proud of it. You know what I mean? And yeah, as you can see, I don't have a big, huge shop. You know what I mean? I'm not working out of no 40 by 60 shop. Basically in my garage at home, two-car garage, crammed in. Uh, but man, I'm growing out of it. You know what I mean? That's a whole other issue in itself. But I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that. And then this side, this is the second side, but this second side, as you'll see, it's more it's more complete. It's almost done. It is almost done. Um, but again, it's all about having fun with it and working with what you got, pushing your own limits. You know what I mean? Pushing those limits to the best of your capabilities. And that's why I feel like a lot of you guys can relate to that. You know what I mean? Um, because a lot of us out there, we don't have a lot of money. You know, can't afford those big brand new shops or thousands of dollars of equipment and what have you. So I'm just like you guys, taking one step at a time, but essentially, hopefully, growing one step at a time. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's basically it for right now. That's the ship. Um, like I said before, as I go along, I'll be, giving you guys some bits and pieces about the ship in a little bit of detail, but I'm trying to create content that keep you guys glued to your seats and coming back each week, you know, and just having fun with it. You know what I mean? Just having fun with it and just doing the best that I can and doing what I can. That's my grandson, like I said, working out of the shop, having fun. But that's pretty much it for right now. Other than I just wanted to share a couple other things with you guys, you know what I mean? And just to kind of explain myself a little bit better. Okay, there we go. I think that's all right. Yeah, you got to excuse my filming because I haven't been really doing this for a long time as far as filming and whatnot. But yeah, that's a ship. So to close this out, I just wanted to say that there's a couple people out there that really inspired me and helped me um, get by. You know what I mean? As far as getting out of my mode, so to speak. I don't want to get into a whole lot of detail about it, but a few years back, I got myself into a really bad accident, really bad. Couldn't walk for a full year, and in that time frame, there was a couple people that standed out on YouTube that, man, I really admire, and they really inspired me to do and to make that leap of faith and start doing the things what I'm doing now. First one is Belos Custom out of San Diego. Man, homeboy, right there, man, my boy, you are like spot on the man. You know what I mean? I don't feel like there's not that many other people that can stand by or next to you. I mean, hands down, your builds, man, you're definitely the one. As far as I'm concerned. But I just want to say, gracias to you. Hands down, gracias to you. Really helped me out. Second one would be, um, what's his name? My bad. I'm a little, man. Put his fab shop. Put his fab shop. Old boy right there. Man, dude, you bring me back every week. You know, can't wait for your next video to come out. Man, you're funnier than hell. And I enjoy your content, and man, please, 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 don't change it up because you're doing great things, from where you started at and where you're at right now. That's what I aspire to be, and I aspire to grow, you know, and try to get to that point and that level where you're at. And I just want to say thank you again. You're another one that helped me out in that when I was at that place. You know what I mean? And the third one would be Barbie the welder. Now she is a world-renowned metal sculptor, and man, she makes up these things that a lot of people can't do, and uh, a lot of people say it's a dying art, and I believe that, I believe that, and I think that's why that's what interests me the most, is to keep on pushing forward to make a difference in that art form. Uh, that's not to say that things will change up from time to time. We'll see, what have you. But again, thank you to Barbie the welder. Those three people, like I said, those you guys really helped me out in a place that were, it was all bad. And I just wanted to say, thank you again to all of you guys, and keep on doing what you guys do. You know, um, as we go along, after this build, we'll see what's next. I don't really know. It could change up, or I could do another sculpture. Not sure yet, but we're gonna do our best. We're gonna do our best is to make it interesting, make it fun. Believe it or not, I know the name Meanmugmetal. But I do have a sense of humor. I like to laugh, crack jokes, just like the next person. I'm gonna wrap it up, leave it at that. You know, I always say, don't just talk about it, be about it. Till next time, Mean Mug Metal, peace.